Bugs are a natural part of development. Where there's code, bugs can and will appear. We combat this by testing our apps and trying to catch bugs before production. At this stage, our app has all the features we wanted to add. However, if we go to the Upcoming tab, click on the first title, download, the screen goes white. It's important to note, this bug only happens on the Upcoming and Download tab. The common denominator of these tabs is that they were made with navigation links instead of navigation paths. Another reason not to use navigation links in production. The best solution is to rewire our Upcoming and Download tabs to use paths. We have seen this a few times in the course already. I challenge you to do this on your own and test your skills. Use Search View as a guide. For our purposes, when the download button is pressed, we'll dismiss the detail screen. This is definitely a workaround to show different options, but using navigation paths is a true solution. To start, open Title Detail View, make some space before the title property, at environment, open parentheses, \dismiss, var dismiss. This property provides access to the current view's dismiss action. We can call dismiss to close a sheet or navigation destination when needed. We'll place this in our download button after everything saves. Scroll down. After model context.save, dismiss. Please update your API keys in API config.json. Press Command R to run. Our simulator is up and running. Go to Upcoming. Click on the second title. Download. Nice. No more white screen. To finish off the iOS 18 version of this app, I want to display errors better. Please remove the API keys and rerun the app. The simulator is up, and as you can see, the home screen error is real sloppy. Going into the search tab, it looks much better. Let's have all our errors look like this. Inside Xcode, open Search View, copy the modifiers on our error text. Open constants, scroll down, paste the modifiers at the end for now, copy and paste the ghost button extension, rename the second one error message, get the modifiers, and paste them inside error message. With our new extension, we can go to Home View, scroll down to our error case, delete everything inside text, type error.localize description, and add the .error message modifier. I would like this error to be at the center of the screen. We used our geometry reader for the progress view last time. Scroll up to the progress case, copy the frame modifier, scroll back down, paste it after the error message modifier. Before moving on, copy both modifiers, open Title Detail View, paste the modifiers on the error, replace geo with geometry, we just need Upcoming View, same thing with the modifiers. That should be good. Please run the project. The errors look so much better. That completes the iOS 18 version of this app and the course. I want to thank you all for the support. We're going to take a break from YouTube and work on our first paid course. It's going to only use SwiftData and SwiftUI to keep things lean and fast. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.